Welcome to our lesson 2, ArchiCAD Tips and Tricks by Michael Makaira. Today we are going to look at ArchiCAD layers and combinations plus ground floor effect. Let us start by looking at ArchiCAD layers. Every item of a drawing on this layout has already been assigned a layer. But we want to know how one can create a new layer, how one can hide layers, and how helpful they are when actually working on a plan layout like this. First and foremost, layers can easily be accessed through the document. You can either show all layers or go to the model views. Under the model views, there are a number of settings. You have layer combinations and then layers. Okay, so if I click on this, which is my slab, it is being assigned a layer called columns and slabs. If I right hand click, I'm able to hide all of this layer. If I lock, it means I cannot change it, I cannot delete it, it will be locked. But if I hide, everything assigned to that layer will disappear. You see, we had columns that have disappeared, and we no longer have the ground floor slab that we had here. Click on something else, like let's say these libraries. Do the same, they will also be hidden accordingly. And I start remain with a simple layout if I wanted to understand my spaces or do something else. Furthermore, assuming dimensions are disturbing, I could also click on them and then hide them as well. This will make my life easier, and it actually improves on the computer memory because what it needs to work on is less. So grids, for instance, have been assigned a layer called Other, 005 Other. But let us assume we want to create another new name for this, which we can call grids. All we need to do is just go to Document, and the Document, go to Model View. Under this category, you'll say New. Let's call that 007 grids. Okay, let's call it 008. 008 dash grids. I already have grids, but let's create a new one. Okay, I'll copy this and then okay, then I can say new and then paste the one I had made, and then I say okay. Now once I click on this, I'll be able to assign it the layer that I've just created, which is grids 008. Now how do I select all the other grids? I will just, for instance, the one I've assigned, which is this one. Let us see. It was this one. Let us hide that, so that any layer defined by that will be able to disappear. So I'll click on grids, then go to grid element, Control A will select all my grids. When all my grids are selected, I'll just copy and assign them that kind of layer, and they will also disappear. Ultimately, if I actually highlighted everything here and then right hand clicked and said hide layer, everything will disappear. But I could also bring it back by just saying show all layers, and everything would be back. Now what's the trick, or what is very important with layers? With layers, you can actually say to hide everything and work on one particular element. And this is what we are going to do. We are going to go to Document, under Layers, select everything, and then come and say, select all, hide, and then deselect again. Let's open up the layer of B effect. And this is everything I need. This is all I need to work on. So I've been talking about ground floor effect. Again, the trick about ground floor effect has to do with cover fields. So if I select everything here, you notice that there is a lot, but what is visible is less. So if I select all this and go to the settings, I'll come here down and cover fields, activate this, click OK. So you can see that now some things are visible, but these have been assigned very light panes and very light fields so that they just skip into the background. So now if I actually reactivate all my other layers, you can easily see that you have the ground floor plan but falling within a background, and that's what we usually call the ground floor effect, so that one can actually tell that this is on the ground floor as opposed to the first floor plan layout and others.